Sawubona. Here's a quick overview of our comprehensive self-study online Zulu course. The course is for beginners and teaches all the important phrases, words and language structures you'll need to communicate in a basic yet effective way. When you enroll for the course, you get 12 months access to the tutorials, and you can email our Zulu experts any questions you might have on the course content. The online course consists of a number of video tutorials, audio recordings, and practical exercises. There are 12 comprehensive modules. Each module consists of a number of subsections, which include revision exercises, word lists, grammar lessons, general phrases, videos on Zulu cultural aspects, as well as assessments. We recommend that you complete one module per month, although you are welcome to work as fast as you like and complete the course in a shorter time, although you will still have access to the material for 1 year from your enrollment date. Upon completing the final assessment, we will email you a special Learn Zulu certificate of completion. The course also offers an audiobook and phrasebook as free downloadable products which you can use in your car or on your phone. Contact us at learnzulu.co.za to enroll and start your course today.